good to be back at Theme Resorts and Spas, a collection of 9 hotels including Alia, where we are currently. Today we will go through a few of the measures that have been put in place to ensure guest safety, putting a priority on the guest experience. A preliminary temperature check is carried out at the porch before contact with the general areas. We will now go through the check-in process.
Hi, sir. Welcome to Theme Resorts. Can I have your passport, please? Please take a seat.
Theme Resorts has streamlined the check-in process to minimize contact. For example, I can send in my pre-check-in details such as a passport copy, and all I need to do is verify on check-in.
Hi, Bhavan. I'm Dr. Surandi. I'm the COVID Responsive Coordinator for Theme Resorts. We have an Ayurvedic immunity booster herbal tea. Please enjoy.
The dedicated COVID response teams based at all theme resort properties have taken excellent measures to ensure guest safety. Room keys and public areas are sanitized in accordance with all the relevant health standards. All rooms are disinfected after every checkout and subject to another deep clean prior to any check-in. Theme Resorts has always maintained exceptional food safety standards and is now also in full compliance with all COVID-19 standards. All of their properties have given its clients the options of having any of their meals through room service. In addition, they are also currently offering some attractive discounts on upgrades to their exclusive suites, where you will have everything you need and more. At all of the theme resorts, there are plenty of in-house experiences for guests to choose from. Let's go and check a few of them out. If you opt out of in-room dining, you can eat at any of the theme resorts restaurants. As you can see, they are adhering to all the safety protocol and social distancing guidelines. Cheers! We hope to see you soon.
Hi, Bhavan. Thank you very much for the support for the last couple of years, and we are ready to welcome you back once again. Our team is waiting for you. Thank you very much.